Chapter 2, ninth class, Paper 1, Polynomials and Factorization, Exercise 2.4. Second, use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of f of x in each of the following cases. Isn't it? Now, see, first one is given. Isn't it? Now, solution, take the g of x. G of x is equals to x plus 1. Put g of x is equals to 0, then x plus 1 equals to 0, then send 1 that side, that becomes x is equals to minus 1, using this value in f of x, isn't it? Now f of minus 1 is equals to 5 minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 5 minus 1 minus 1, isn't it? Now see here, f of minus 1 is equals to 5 into minus 1 cube means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus into minus plus into minus minus, that becomes 1 into 1 into 1, that means minus 1. So that's why minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1, so minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 square means minus minus into plus, minus into minus become plus, 1 into 1 become 1. So 1 here, minus into minus became plus, 5 into 1 becomes 5, now minus 1. See here, this plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Now 5 into minus 1 becomes minus 5, next plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 cancel. What is the value? 0. See here, when f of x is equals to 0, sorry, in the value of f of x means minus 1, yes, then here this value we got 0, then therefore g of x is a factor of f of x, isn't it? G of x is a factor of f of x as per the factor theorem. Now move to next question. By using factor theorem, solution, take g of x equals to x plus 1, put g of x is equals to 0, that becomes x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now value of x is equals to minus 1. We are sending from left to right side. On left side it have a positive sign, it goes from right side it becomes negative. Using these value of x in f of x. Now therefore f of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 whole cube plus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 1 plus 1, isn't it? Now see, minus 1 cube means minus 1 multiplied by how many times? 3 times. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus becomes minus, isn't it? 1 into 1, 1 into 1, that becomes here minus 1. Next plus minus 1 into 1, minus 1 multiplied by how many times? 2 times. So minus into minus became plus, so plus 1 here, that means plus 1 means 3 into 1. Next plus into minus became minus, 3 into 1 becomes 3, or you can write 3 into 1 like this. Next plus 1. See here, this minus 1 and plus 1 cancels, isn't it? Now 3 into 1 becomes 3, minus 3 into 1 becomes 3, plus 3 minus 3 cancel, what we got? 0, isn't it? Therefore f of minus 1 is equals to 0. Now therefore g of x is a factor of f of x by factor theorem. Remember, don't forget. Now move to next question. See, f of x and g of x is given. Now by factor theorem, put g of x is equals to 0, that becomes x minus 2 is equal to 0. Send these two from left side to right side. On left side it have a negative sign, it goes from right side it becomes positive, that means x value is 2. Use this x is equals to 2 in f of x. So now f of 2 is equals to 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 2 plus 6. See here, 2 cube means 2 multiplied by how many times? 3 times, isn't it? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are for this 4 into this 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 cube is 8. Next 2 square is also there. 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2 times, 2 2s are 4. Now that is equals to 8 minus 4 into 2 square means 4. See here, already multiplied. Next 2 plus 6 becomes 8, isn't it? Now 8, 4 4s are 16 minus 16 plus 8. See here, add these two, that becomes plus 16 minus 16. These two are cancelled, plus 16 minus 16 cancel, that equals to 0. As per the factor theorem, we are using g of x value in f of x. We got the result is 0. That means therefore g of x is a factor of f of x, isn't it? Remember, don't forget. Now move to next question. See, f of x and g of x is given. F of x, by using the factor theorem solution, what is the g of x? In the place of g of x, put 0. That means 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Send this 2 from left side to right side. On left side it have a negative sign, it goes from right side, it becomes positive. That means 3x is equals to 2. Now send this 3 from left to right. On left side it is a multiplication, it goes from right side, it becomes a division. That means x is equals to 2 by 3. We got x value. Using this x value in f of x, that means f of 2 by 3, that is equals to 3 2 by 3 whole cube plus 2 by 3 whole square, this is 2, minus 20 2 by 3 plus 12. See here, 2 by 3 whole cube. What is 2 by 3 whole cube? That means 2 by 3 multiplied by how many times? 3 times. That means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now see here, 2 by 3 whole square means 2 by 3 multiplied by how many times? 2 times. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, isn't it? Now see here, f of 2 by 3 is equals to 3 into 8 by 27. 2 by 3 whole cube value this one, plus 2 by 3 whole square value is 4 by 9, already we found. Now minus this 20 into 2 by 3 plus 12, isn't it? See here, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, isn't it? 3 nines are 27. See here, 3 is a factor of this 9. So 8 by 9 plus 4 by 9 minus 20 into 2 became 40 by 3 plus 12, isn't it? Take the LCM of these two. No need. 3 is a factor of this. So 3 is a factor of this. Take the LCM of these two first. That becomes 8 plus 4 by 9. Common factor. Here LCM is 9 minus. See here, 40 by 3 plus 12, isn't it? Now this becomes 8 plus 4 becomes how much? 13. See here, this can be written, I am here. That means 13, sorry, 12. 8 plus 4 means 12 by 9 minus 40 by 3 plus 12, isn't it? Now see here, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Simple LCM. 12 into 1, that means 12 40 into 3 minus 4 3s are 12, that means 120 by either this into this into this means 9, isn't it? Next, plus 12. Now this is equals to 120 minus 12 became 120 minus 12 becomes what? 108 by 9. 108 by 9 plus 12, but bigger value having negative, so put negative sign, isn't it? So 12 nines are 12 nines is also 108. See here, 1 2 see, 9 twos are 18, 1 is there, 9 ones are 9 10, isn't it? Now here take the LCM once again, 9, that becomes, see here, minus 108 plus 12 into 9 by 9. Now that equals to minus 108 plus 108 by 9. See here, plus so minus cancel, this we got 0. So as per the factor theorem we got the 0. G of x value used in f of x, we got the 0. Therefore g of x is a factor of f of x, isn't it, as per the factor theorem. Now move to next question. See, f of x and g of x is given. Solution as per the factor theorem, put g of x is equals to 0, that means 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now send this 3 from left to right side. On left side it have a positive sign, it goes from right side, it becomes negative. Now 2x is equals to minus 3. Once again send 2 from left to right. On left side it is multiplication, it goes from right side, it becomes division. That means x is equals to minus 3 by 2. Use this value in f of x, that means f of, in the place of x put minus 3 by 2, isn't it? That is equals to 4 minus 3 by 2 whole cube plus 20 minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 33 minus 3 by 2 plus 18, isn't it? See here, minus 3 by 2, see here, right, minus 3 by 2 whole cube means this 3 by 2 multiplied by how many times? 3 times, isn't it? See here, 3 3s are 9 and 3s are 27. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus becomes minus. So minus 27. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus 27 by 8. Now minus 3 by 2 whole square, that means minus 3 by 2 multiplied by how many times? 2 times. Minus into minus becomes plus. 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4, 9 by 4. Now f of minus 3 by 2 is equals to 4 into minus 27 by 8, isn't it? Next, plus 20 into plus 9 by 4 minus, this plus into minus becomes minus 33 into 3 by 2. Next, plus 18, isn't it? See here, 4 ones are 4. Next, 4 twos are 8. Next, 4 ones are 4. 4 fives are 20. So now this becomes minus 27 by 2. Next, plus 5 into 9 minus 33 into 3 means 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 99 by 2 plus 18, isn't it? Now see here, 5 nines are 45. This is equals to minus 27 by 2. I am taking these two, minus 99 by 2 plus 5 nines are 45 plus 18. See here, 45 plus 18. 8 plus 5 becomes 13. 1 is carry. This is 63. Now see here, both are having same sign and both are having common denominator 2. So 2 is LCM here. Minus here 2 minus 27 minus 99. Add these two, 99, 27, 16, 1, 10 and 12, 126. So plus this is 63. See here, minus 126 by 2 plus 63. See here, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. See here, 63 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 126. Yes, got right answer. Now, what we got here, that means this is minus 63 plus 63. These two cancel, this becomes 0. So whenever we are using to substitute g of x in f of x by using factor theorem, we got the result is 0. Then therefore g of x is a factor of f of x, isn't it? Understood all of you? Yes. Thank you one and all.